Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today we are at AutoWerkz SoCal with my boy Alex. I haven't seen him in a long time, so if you guys remember Alex on the channel, he is the one with the Lexus 3IS and it is wide body. So this is the new shop, huh? Damn.
Not really new anymore. It's been about a year and a half, but you know.
Put it in work. If you guys don't remember Alex's car, it used to be matte black the last time we saw it. No, actually it was gold, I think. I think I saw it one time gold. Yeah, when we went to Origins, or no? Yeah. Because you got the work wheels when it was red. You didn't get it when it was black. Or I mean, when it was gold. When it was gold, you had black wheels. So this is where you are every day, huh? No more Call of Duty, no more gym, just over here.
I still hit the gym. Very tired, but you know.
What up, bro? Haven't seen you in forever. I feel like you got taller. I'm Asian, I'm just short. It could be. I always wanted to see like all your banners because it looks so sick. You made it seem like it wasn't that big. You could fit like, yeah, 4 cars. All right, so I had to step out before I get copyrighted. Gonna bring my car in. Today we have some parts to install. Can't wait to show you guys. All right, guys, so today we're finally going to be installing Underglow. And today's video is sponsored by OneUpLighting. They sent over some Underglow for me. The reason why I haven't put on Underglow or puddle lights, which I actually have those VIP puddle lights sitting in my room for the last 3 years. My girlfriend got it for me for my birthday, but my side skirts, they don't have a bottom. So I didn't know how I was gonna mount that. Before they sent over these lights, I asked Alex, yo, do you think you can help me install it? Do you have any idea how you could do it? Because I have no bottom. And he was like, we'll make something work, I guess. And I also wanted to come visit him. It was an excuse to see his shop, advertise the shop. If you guys need anything, check out AutoWerkz SoCal. Where's this? Riverside? Yeah,
it's
far as fuck.
Nah, that's just a little bit of a drive.
But everyone in OC kind of lives closer to Riverside, so they'll probably come here.
Yeah, it's just hard for you LA people.
Hopefully, he could put them on. We'll see. I also brought you some new stickers.
Perfect. I got exactly the spot.
This is a little sneak peek of what I got in the works. There's gonna be clothes and maybe skateboards, who knows? Oh, you hear the fiberglass cracking?
It's not even touching fiberglass.
I told Alex I need wood blocks to jack this up, and he was like, what wood blocks?
I don't carry those. We're out of stock now. There, see? You like that?
Like you.
Thank you, bro. Like you too. Good kiss? Oh, sorry, not on camera. Stop, bro.
All right, so let me show you guys what I was talking about. My side skirt has no bottom, literally. So I don't know how the hell you're gonna do this because yes, you technically could mount all the way here, like on the pinch welds, but I don't think the Underglow will show.
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Why would you mount it on the pinch weld?
Exactly, so then what are you gonna mount it to?
Right here on the door.
I thought we talked about not having the LED show like everyone else.
I thought you wanted overglow. Bro.
Well, if it's too long, can't you cut it or no? You can't?
How's that a double? What's wrong with you?
I don't know anything about Underglow.
Yeah, I see that.
I don't have anything to do. Alex doesn't really want my help because all I do is complain and whine.
You. Who did this? No, I'm kidding.
What a hater. Hey, check out the new battery though. Let's go.
Yeah, did you ever get 2? Thought you were gonna get 2.
I'm poor. Alright, I'm gonna go in the waiting room.
Thank you.
Fucking pissing me off. This is where all the magic happens. Let's see. Yep, no customers again. Sounds about right. It's so crazy because your license plate says bag chasing, and then you go to the driver's seat and there's a bag full of money.
Why are you exposing me?
Oh shit. Where's your chandelier?
Bro, it fell off. I watched your video and it was bad. Nice. Are you ready?
I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, you should be.
It's just loud as fuck.
It shoots flames too.
Oh my god. I knew it was gonna be loud, but you set me up for failure.
I did.
Sounds like a little baby LFA.
That shit is fucking insane. You hear me from like a mile away. People start cutting me off on the freeway. Wham, wham, wham.
Wow, wow, wow.
Damn. Oh. see the LEDs. Whack. I thought you said that we weren't gonna be able to see the LEDs.
All right, man. You can go home.
All right, see you. All right, we got it here. Got it in there somewhere. Alex put it on the pinch welds.
The frame of the car.
And then we got it all the way in here. Glad I could help.
You're welcome.
I was just talking your ear off, I'm sorry.
Making the process longer.
If you guys don't know, me and Alex have a love-hate relationship with each other. I fucking hate this guy. He hates me too. But at the end of the day, we'll tickle each other's balls.
Say louder.
You think another shop could have done this for way cheaper and a better job?
Yeah, probably.
All right. God damn, these wheels are sick. What, Boppy? Oh shit, thank you, bro. Hey. 4 doors, more whores. Yeah, bro, this shit's clean.
Yeah.
God damn, that shit is dumped. Alex, I'm hungry.
Give me 5 minutes. All right. Is that okay? Can I have 5 minutes?
You already did this side.
I fucking hate you.
You're looking kind of cute.
Thank you, bro. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
God damn.
Still with the kill switches? We'll do it after lunch.
All right. Alex
Can I get your card down first?
Alex wanted his certified Asian card. So the only way we can give it to you is if you eat dog. Are you down?
Eat ass.
Can you take a puppy's life?
I mean, if you need me to, sure.
Alex, what the fuck? Can't even see it right here. Why do we even install the front ones? Okay, you can kind of see it. I'm sure you'll be able to see it at night. Alex, I'm gonna go get wings.
I'm gonna key the paint. Get that
on
video.
Stop. Can I trust you to work on my car by yourself?
No.
Here, without me looking.
No.
Alright guys, we finished the Underglow. Huge shout out to Alex for putting in this switch for me. I know you could turn it off with the app on my phone. Turn it on, and you can see the Underglow. And now we're gonna shut it off, and it's off. Also, if any of you guys want to buy this door lamp, link is in the description below. Use my promo code JNYT for a discount. They are made by my buddy Ray, and they're the best door lamp projectors I've ever seen. But yeah, now it's time to drive home. Huge shout out to you, Alex. I usually get to see him like once a year. And the reason why I stayed so long is because, you know, try to make the most of it, catch up with him. I've always wanted Underglow. Low key, I always thought it was kind of tacky, but he made it work, got it installed. You can't see the LEDs, which is like a huge thing for me, and it's pretty cool. Now I could blind people on the road. Honestly though, I feel like I haven't really driven my car a lot of places because everything's a little too far for me, and you know, I can mess up my car at any point. But it was nice to hang around other car enthusiasts and people who just love these cars. Huge shout out to Ariel Jade for hooking it up with one of her shirts. This is so cool, guys. This is her car, and this is just a sick ass design. I might have to steal this idea. I'm about like an hour and a half away from home, but once we get home, it'll be dark enough for me to show you guys the Underglow. Finally, I'm a part of the Midnight Club. Man, that was a far drive. If you guys are not familiar with Underglow, let me show you guys. That is so sick. God damn. I never thought I'd have Underglow. That's amazing. It's like not too far out. I didn't want it to be like this far out. Very subtle. The front, however, I don't know what to say, guys. I'm just too low. Can't really see it too well. Yeah. You can see it, but not like that. We head over to the rear. It's a bar. This is probably reflecting off my exhaust, which I kind of didn't want, but there's really nothing else we can do. But I kind of like it. It looks like it's shooting flames. That is sick. Can't see the LEDs anywhere. Lights up my exhaust. What do you guys think? Wow. Probably look really cool if I put the taillights on. Let's see. That is sick. Huge thank you to OneUpLighting for sponsoring today's video and sending me this Underglow. If you guys are interested, link is in the description below. Before I go, you guys already know I have to hit you with the red. Fire! And this is how it looks like aired up. Definitely looks a little more defined. Sheesh. And there you guys have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more videos soon, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.